Hey, everyone. It's Munchie Munchkin, and this is another episode of Munch with Munchkin. This is actually a two-part video. And it was supposed to be uploaded on Friday night, Saturday morning for Cinco de Mayo. But there was an issue with my computer. It froze up during recording, and I had to stop and figure out what was going on. I'm not sure if it's because my computer was almost maxed out, hard drive wise, or if it was because I accidentally left on my video editor program. So the whole weekend I was trying to figure out deleting the useless crap on my computer. So I'm hoping with part 2 there won't be any issues. Originally this was supposed to be all one video on one day, and it's not, so I do apologize for that, and I hope we don't have any more issues of this. I hope very, very much, because that was annoying. So again, I'm sorry, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Thank you. Hi everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin, and it's another episode of Munch with Munchkin, episode number 2. Today is Cinco de Mayo. So to celebrate, I got 2 burritos from Chipotle, blue corn chips, and 2 dips, and my root beer. So with my burritos, both of them are barbacoa with cheese and pinto beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and start eating that. I really like Chipotle. I haven't been there for a while actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. That's really good. Now, the one thing is, because I'm sure there's probably people out there that don't know what Cinco de Mayo is. Let me grab a tissue. Cinco de Mayo, most Americans think it's the celebration for or the day of Mexico's independence, but actually that's not it. I think that's September 16th. It's actually to celebrate the day of Mexico winning a battle against, I think it was France. And it was a battle that they didn't think they were going to win, or it didn't look like it was in their favor, from what I was understanding online. But in America, supposedly, we do it to celebrate Mexican Americans culture, but really I see as most people do is just another reason to drink alcohol. So, God, it's really dripping. gonna have to grab another tissue in a minute. I am trying not to get it on myself. Well, other than my hands. Now the blue corn chips. I don't know if that's technically Mexican influence or anything like that, but the blue corn chips have a special place in my heart because when I was a child, I lived in a neighborhood that had a pool right down the street from me. And one summer we went down there, my family and myself, and there was another woman that also had a big family because I'm one out of 5 kids, and then this woman had like 5 kids as well. And she always brought blue corn chips with her, and my mom and her became good friends. And the woman started letting us eat some of her blue corn chips that she brought with her. So, to me, this always meant summer. So, I'm going to try the paste dip, the queso blanca. Oh my god. Let's try using the shirt trick. Oh, jeez. I don't know if that actually works. Let's try using a towel. Okay, I'll be right back and try to open these stupid lids. I probably should have opened them before I started recording, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in the kitchen and take care of this. Okay, I'm back after opening these assholes that were so freaking hard to open. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the, like I said, the queso blanca one. I don't think I like that one as much. That much. Ooh. I can definitely taste the jalapeno. It's really, really strong. So I don't care for that one. Kind of like I don't know how to describe it. Kind of like tasting kind of like, oh shoot, wipe that off the. I don't know. The best way I can describe it is like tasting grass. Is how I can describe it. How it tastes to me, at least. Okay, the other one's Chi-Chi's. And that one, that one's mild salsa con queso. So, I mean, I go to different places, I do tend to like queso, but I never had Chi-Chi's. Or at least I don't remember. I might have as a child. Because there was a Chi-Chi's by me at one of the places I lived. That was not bad. That was actually pretty good. I mean, that's when you can taste the jalapenos and the heat. But it's not overpowering like the Casablanca one is. Like I said, it tastes like I'm eating grass, or I don't know. I mean, that's the best way I can describe it. So my last video, ooh, hot. Spices are getting into me. So in my last video, I was talking about school. So yay, I'm done with school. Last exam was today. I don't think I did that well on it, but it was today. So I'm done with school. So summer break, for me. So my plan for summer is, again, like I said, travel around a little bit, go to new food places. I need to get back into playing video games. I haven't played video games for the last, I think, 2-3 years because of school. Oh god. Like I didn't even have summer to do schooling. Because I was taking a lot of summer classes. So I really want to get back into playing some games, some Final Fantasy games I want to play. Some Tales of games. I bought one and then I never got the chance to play it. I don't know. Oh, on the table again. Then I wish I had the money to buy a Switch. I'm probably gonna have to wait until later this year to buy one because I really want to play the new Zelda game. I still don't understand how people get confused who's Zelda and who's Link. Even to this day. I mean, I played the first game, and I know who with whom. Shut up, stomach. I am feeding you. God, this is like really, really messy today. So, well, now that I'm done with my associates, I have to, within I think a month to 2 months time, I have to quickly work on my transfer over to the university I want to go to. wish this one had a little bit more cheese on it. Mm. I'm hoping to go to my state fair this summer, and then there's also some other like festival type thing in the city near me that I would like to go to. Just go around looking at the different vendors and stuff, food vendors. I forget how spicy, at least spicy to me, the barbacoa is. Ow. So, I guess eating salty chips does not help. Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin, and this is part 2 of the video. Since I already ate the other burrito, I have a burrito, and actually I got new chips because I ate the bag of chips while I was fixing the video over the weekend, or fixing the computer. I got the Tostitos, Simply Organic blue chips. And of course I have the cheese dip. I didn't feel like bringing out the other one because I didn't care for that one, so why bring it out? So first off, I need to see if I heated this up enough, because if I didn't, I have to go back and reheat it. Yeah, hot enough. Down in the middle might be kind of cool, so I might have to stop in the middle of the video for that. And again, I'm drinking root beer. Because of the mishap over the weekend, I am probably going to make a schedule. So in case something happens again, I have time to record a new video and have enough time to edit it before release date. So right now, the test for the new schedule will be Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Sunday and Saturday will most likely be munching blindlies. Wednesdays will be Munch with Munchkin. So, I mean, again, this is a test trial of how we're gonna do it. And then if that doesn't seem to work out, I'll try different days, and whatnot. Okay, it seems like I heat this up enough. Cheese dip is actually surprisingly good. I don't like salsa, so it's pretty good. For someone that doesn't care for salsa but likes cheese. No, I tend to avoid the other stuff in there besides the cheese. Really makes me mad that the video messed up last week. I had my heart set on eating both of those at the same time instead of reheating one of them. And I keep forgetting paper towels. Why do I keep doing that? Luckily I have tissues in here, but it's starting to really piss me off that I keep forgetting. I need to just have a paper towel roll in here at all times. So, as I said in part 1, or at least I believe I did, I have to re-look over the edits later, but I was talking about graduating. Graduation day was actually yesterday, so I officially have my associates now. I have to wait for my diploma. And because of that, I'm on almost at a spring break. Summer vacation. So, one of the first things I'm going to do for my summer vacation is go see Guardians 2. Well, Guardians of the Galaxy 2. I'm actually really excited for this movie. I saw the first one and really loved it. So, I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. I'm just trying so hard not to spill anything on myself. I don't want to have to wash my shirt. I just got this shirt. Oh yeah, I'm wearing a different shirt. Went to Hot Topic yesterday. They had a deal: buy a t-shirt and get another one for $5. So I decided to buy a new shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, I like anime. I think I've said this in one of my other videos before. Um, um, so one of our first anime series besides Dragon Ball Z was Sailor Moon. So I decided to get a Sailor Moon t-shirt. And I got one of the Yuri on Ice t-shirt. I've actually been wanting to do eventually buy some DVDs of the Crystal series of Sailor Moon. Since I finally caught up. I just can't wait for next season now. I mean, I like the original. That always will have original anime, not original manga, because manga and the crystals are pretty close. But the original anime still has a close place in my heart, but I do like the crystal version of it. Oh. One bad problem with eating spicy and hot stuff is the nose running. One thing I'm really excited for is, evidently it was announced recently for the Yuri on Ice fans, that there's going to be a movie, which I really, really can't wait to see. I mean, part of me hopes with the movie. So I don't think they really released the plot of it. Yet they're just talking about making it. I'm really hoping with the movie they end up shutting down the naysayers of the fans. And there's still a lot of Western fans that are still trying to make it off that it's not a homosexual relationship, because we didn't see them actually kiss. So I'm really hoping that they finally say it's like, yes, they really did, and they do like each other that way. But we'll have to see. How much I actually have left. I had the foil on here originally to make sure that doesn't completely fall apart. Okay, I don't have much left. So yeah, here's the burrito. That's how much I have left. So, like I said before, this was a barbacoa with pinto beans and cheese. Again, this one seems like it needed more cheese on it. But it's still pretty good. Okay, I don't think I dropped something on me. Felt like something dropped, but it doesn't look like it did. Usually, whoever makes. Usually, when I get my burritos from Chipotle, there's usually plenty of cheese. I mean, I know you can ask for extra meat, well, extra protein, but I don't think you can ask for, like, extra cheese or anything like that. Okay, I might not be able to eat this little part here. It's kind of hard. Okay, so I'm done with the burrito. Now on to the chips. I need to get another napkin. Well, tissue, whatever. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Trying to think of what else I want to do before this month ends for summer. With my next college, I actually started pretty early compared to my last college, so I don't have that long for summer vacation technically. Well, compared to what I'm used to. I mean, yeah, I want to go see the movie tomorrow. Not anything like the spa treatments or anything like that, so I'm not going to do anything like that. That's there was a place I wanted to try recently. I'm trying to remember. There's a new place in one of the malls in the area called, I think it's Wayback Burgers. I actually downloaded, oopsies, their app. It's like it's a rewards app. So I'm just going to try them out, possibly soon. I know I want to go somewhere to celebrate graduating. Might go to like something like Cheesecake Factory or something like that. Or oh, maybe Outback. Get when their large size of their actually I think it's a regular size for their cheese fries. Those are pretty good. They'll do like their ribeye. And their prime rib. There's also the Melt Bar grilled in Columbus. Now they're supposed to be building one near where I live, but that doesn't open until July. Actually, I think these blue chips taste a little bit better than the last ones I had. I mean, for all I know, this is the same brand that made them when I was a kid. I don't remember. I have to ask my brother. I think he remembers the most which one it was. I'm gonna try to eat these as much as I can. Again, I'm starting to fill up from the burrito. I really wonder, I haven't looked into this in a long time, but I wonder if there's any Chi restaurants still left. Because when I used to live in Cleveland as a child, there was a Chi restaurant, and I remember going there quite often. It's probably the only restaurant I remember from age 7 and down going to a lot. I mean, other than McDonald's and Burger King and places like that, but restaurants, this was the one I can always remember going to as a child. Especially that young. The plane. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but a plane was flying overhead. That have to buy this brand again with the chips. And probably buy whenever I run out of that. Because I know this one's only best by this month. I probably should have checked the dates on these before I bought them. I don't really think of that when I go shopping sometimes. Unless I'm buying bread. I always check for bread and milk and eggs are the ones that I always double check. I really should be checking more often, really. I bet my mom knew she would be yelling at me. She would always persist on checking the dates on food that you buy. Now, if you're to be told, she'd probably be yelling at me for burping and burping that loud, too. So, hopefully my mom never watches these videos. She would have been like, I raised you better. Have manners. Eh. So, if you ever found out, I could be like, well, at least I'm nice to the elderly and open doors for people. Be happy I would remember those. And practice them every day. Oh. I'm having issues trying to find a limited edition item. And I'm hoping you guys could help me find it. I've been trying to find the, Hershey Taste of State candy that they have. I can find all of them except for the Payday Taste of Texas one. I cannot find that anywhere. Checked CVS, checked Walmart, checked Kroger, checked Myers, Walgreens, checked gas stations, checked Dollar General, which surprisingly I found the majority of them at, but I cannot find the fucking Payday. So if anyone can help me out, I don't care if you live in Ohio, Indiana, it'd be nice if I could talk. I'm not getting my friend out that state right now because I can. I just don't want to try to force it out right now. I'm probably going to say in a minute. Kentucky! Damn it! Why do you have to be so hard to say? But I don't care if you live in Texas or whatever. If you guys know some stores that usually carry it, especially in your area, national brands, please. Because I live in Ohio. There's no Albertsons, Tom Thumbs, and stuff like that up here. But if you guys can, please tell me some stores that you know that carry them. Please let me know. Because I'm having issues finding it. I mean, if I'm finding other limited edition items, but I can't find that. And I can't find any new Oreos. I cannot find a new I'm really having a tough day talking, it seems. Oreos. I can't find the 4 new Oreos that they have. And checked a whole bunch of the typical places that would have limited edition Oreos, if that was the case. Checked places I know that have a ton of Oreos, like Walmart, Kroger, Target, Myers. Even checked some of the places like Walgreens and stuff. I can't find them, and it's starting to piss me off. So again, if you guys can help me with anything, that'd be great. Or give me updates on anything else new. I did find some 2 limited edition chips. Lime and sea salt and BLT. Did anyone else have a BLT chip? Because I swear I've had a BLT chip before. And they're Lay's, so I thought Lay's had it. Oh, no, I don't think Pringles had one. I know Pringles had the loaded baked potato, which I just bought recently and been eating. But I want to do all of the Hershey candies, except for the Kiss with the almonds. I don't care for almonds, so I'm not gonna try the coconut almond one. Also, why is it fucking almond? It should be a macadamia nut. Hawaii's known for macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts. There we go. So that one baffles me. But I won't be trying that one because I don't like almonds. And I know that won't set well with me. But I want to do all the Hershey's in one video. So I'm waiting for that last piece. The chips I'll be doing relatively soon. Also, I have some Thomas bagels and English muffins I need to do. As a whole. Got a piece of chip stuck between my teeth. What else? I have 2 companies all dressed chips that I want to try together to compare. The one I've had before, the other one I never had. And yes, these are the US brand versions of these chips. I know that the Canadian ones taste different. So, sadly I can't get the Canadian version. As much as I want to travel to your Canadian's country, as much as I want to travel out there, I can't afford it. So I can't buy your chips. But I mean, I do have some items that are in wait. I've been wanting to try later this month to make dinner again. One of the recipes I'm looking at doing is what my family tends to call is Captain Crunch chicken. There's also a garlic chicken I want to make. I need to learn some beef recipes. So when I go down to Texas, I'll have my mom teach me how to cook beef properly. I learned how to cook chicken and never learned how to cook beef. So, I'm keeping an eye on some of these sites that keep track of the limited edition items, the new items and stuff. So, almost every day I'm hunting for new food to try. Okay, I think I might call it quits today. I wanted to make it easier to edit the videos. The last video, Munch with Munchkin, took 7 hours to upload onto YouTube. So, before I get done with that, I am checking my root beer. First, get a piece of chip out of my tooth. Also, oopsies. I'm also gonna cap this. I don't know why, but I have a feeling I'll knock it over if I don't do it now. And I really don't want to clean up that mess. I say chug, but I'm probably going to not chug as fast. It's easier to chug when it's in the bottle for me. And I hope that I have spices from the dip on my tongue. Well, that was weak. Come on. Really? Of course, that was not going to do anything. Yeah. A little wet at the end. Okay, that's a little bit better. Really, I can usually do better than this. No vocals, great. Well, I think that might be all I have in me for right now. Usually I do a lot better. Okay, I really think that might be the end of it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you guys. I'm thinking this video will probably be up on Wednesday, so after this, I'll see you guys on Saturday. So I hope you all have a nice day. Bye! Ugh. I think the Chi-Chi's wants to come back up. Hey, guys. Thanks for watching this weird Chipotle mukbang. Shame things didn't go as planned, but hey, I still ate it alright. And it made me make a schedule, so at least something good came from this. If you like today's video, click on the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas for future videos, can help me locate any limited edition, or just want to leave your thoughts, drop me a comment below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.